I'm out here in the garden today, and I decided to bring you along for a garden tour. I think you'll enjoy this. And again, I am no expert. My husband is a lawn person. He likes green grass. Don't tell the captain. Um, but I planted pepper seeds all around the exterior of the backyard. He doesn't know yet. But you know what? He loves peppers. It's therapeutic. So I plan to take some things on the road. I don't know. It might just be a salad. But the radishes, the lettuce, the onions, the tomatoes, I'm going to let you know. They came from my garden. Okay? This is bliss. So here we go. Last year, my cucumbers and squash didn't do so well. I didn't have bees and butterflies, not too many. So this year I planted a flower garden, and I'm hoping to attract bees and butterflies to the garden to pollinate. I have hostas here, sunflowers, and several other types of flowers that all haven't come up yet. I love hostas, and I couldn't grow these in Southern California. This little plot is just right in front of the basketball court. I have some hyacinths, which are pollinators, and a purple bean plant, which will grow into a beautiful vine. This will be the medicinal section. Right now, there's only mints, black cherry, and catnip. Roses are pollinators as well. These are our knockout roses. They're small miniature roses in the color of pink and red all throughout the backyard. And we look forward to adding different varieties of roses as well. Sandwiched in between other plants are the white potatoes, which I should be mounding, but I can't wait to see the harvest. Spinach and beets, and over here bunching onions and carrots. These are Brussels sprouts. And here I have several varieties of tomatoes that will trellis up. Can't wait to see them. Mustard greens here. And here is romaine and iceberg lettuce just starting. These are green onions on the deck in a raised bed. And in between I've sprinkled lots of carrots, so I can't wait to see what I get. This is the herb garden. This is cilantro. I don't have very much planted right now, but you're looking at dill. And there's also thyme and sage. I do have a rosemary plant, and I'm looking forward to planting more. This is an eggplant, which I can't wait to show you how it grows upside down. These support rings that are shown here, and there are 4 of them, are for peppers. And the blue pot has celery in it. So the rings will hold all kinds of peppers, poblanos, jalapenos, chili peppers, habaneros. We'll keep you posted. These are radishes and lettuce. And back in the rear on the trellis, I'll grow cucumbers. As you can see, they're starting to come up. This is kale row, and in the back is a purple kale. This is beet row for juicing, and if you look way in the back, there's some celery that's starting to come up. These next 3 rows are cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli. And as you can see, I need to get out here and do a little bit of watering. I also will need to do some plant thinning. That's a pepper back there. In this area, there are several bunches of collard greens that will grow pretty large, but right now they're mixed in with some flowers. But we always enjoy the collard greens at the holidays, and here are more radishes. Strawberries in the house here. This is my first year trying strawberries, so we will see. You can do this.